Now, a president of Kenya swore to discharge his duties without favorism, without prejudice, without looking into which tribe ukorwa. That is what the President of the Republic of Kenya atianete gagoteba na akorera abantu baitu bonsi ba Kenya ebisa kubionsi irrespective of political affiliation, tribe, and also ethnicity. Igonata ko make a very brief reference gochi asomo ishmiwa na uyo minte political analyst nyano simoenga ngaki akero koligeria in Kisii County specifically as tokorwa kegere ntuntu waru Kisii County umosige okorokwa a chief whip Silvana Sosoro chipara cha chonse pay echingulira bogirango
affiliation.
Number 2, ekero kugenda kitutu cha North a treasurer ya UDA Msike Jafet chipara chiaye chiskuru chiaye echingulire buya chirosiri buya. What does it tell you? That there is biased representation from the executive. And who is the executive? Is the President of the Republic of Kenya, who swore to uphold the sanctity of the Constitution.
Thank you.
And to discharge his duties without favorism or looking at which ethnic tribe okoru. That they got there with a lot of humility and humbleness. That it is very logical. Korora, chi constituents chia Kisii, iberego zeisato, chika ndreta buya, echinde chikwete para teyo. Skuru njia gachiri maache tayo bangina mbaliko ba empowered vijana mbili kolikwa all those. What is the dictate of the Constitution of Kenya under the Leadership and the Integrity Act? Ekere president ya very sworn in igakobwati gento gekorokwa a policy guideline first ye chama ya mubekete as a president. Number 2, origereri the Constitution eyo agotebanga inchebuno Omorai yo Kenya ninkorera abantu baitu ntabwati Ogwanchereria konde Bwense.
So why is it getting to the point employment?
It is going to the point not only employment,
yes,
even including infrastructure, because if you are not well connected to the president and the powers that be, if you are not saying hallelujah, Ruto 2-term, you will not get anything. I support the president. But we keralero iga ntakete ko tebanga ki Omorai yo ito na abulire ngento gekorokunga equality. Asenge nchunga umwanye toliko mukwana buya ayo wakwa
igabantu bategereta subutuko gwarero guguru Gusiii bakurukise mukiri chikorekana abarayi baba bakwamirira Omorai Bwense bamenyenga ngura achandika bali
kale na kale tali lero
ya practice.
In fact bro bright muchiko chakera taliko chakera lero
Kale na kale
kurubuna bachagete kupinga buna bakotebanga 1 term kende ngiyo bakonyora, which is very illogical, unconstitutional, and unlawful, because the president is supposed to exhibit biasness and inequality, to show equality across all the races and ethnic tribes in the country.
Waterabo Nyamwaro.